Here's how to block AutoCAD from accessing the internet using Windows Firewall. Search for Windows Firewall and open it. Click Advanced Settings on the left to open Windows Defender Firewall with advanced security. Click Outbound Rules on the left, then New Rule on the right. Select Program as the rule type and click Next. Click Browse, navigate to your C drive, open Program Files, then Autodesk, then your specific AutoCAD version folder. Find and select acad.exe, click Open, then Next. Choose Block the Connection and click Next. Make sure all profile options are selected and click Next again. Name the rule something clear like AutoCAD Block and click Finish. Repeat the exact same process, but this time select inbound rules instead of outbound rules. Once both rules are created, AutoCAD will be fully blocked from accessing the internet in either direction. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.